this is your living area, which is super spacious and super big, decorated just like this with modular kitchen. This is your super luxurious master bedroom, as you can see. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Sanzio by the builder JRC, which is located at Attibile Sarjapura Road for a sample villa tour. Well, we will get to know a lot in detail about the project, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number shared with different brokers, and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Sanzio by the builder JRC, which is located at Attibele Sarjapura Road, is built on a land parcel of 2.15 acres with 39 villas, and the available stories are ground plus 1 floors, and available variants are 3 BHK. Let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just few minutes away from the Sarjapura Circle, and Indus International School is just a few minutes drive, as well 14 minutes away from the Prestige City apartment. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has all the modern amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, yoga lounge, jogging track, a kids play area, kids swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample villa called Sanzio by the builder JRC, which is located at Sarjapura Attibele Road. So yes, this is the parking area. As you can see, you have enough parking to park one car and your two-wheelers. And yes, this over here you have a huge passage right in front of the house, as you can see, where you can set up a garden or a sitting area. And as you walk inside, you can see this is your foyer area. You can customize it and design it the way you want. And if you walk in further, you can see this is your living area, which is super spacious and super big, where you can put your sofa, and there is space right in front of the sofa for your television unit as well. And now it's time to check the dining area. So this is the dining area, which is very spacious to put your table and chairs. And this way is your spacious kitchen, which you can customize it and decorate it just like this with modular kitchen. So yes, as you can see, there's a lot of space for storage units as well. And yes, this is your storage room. So very spacious storage room near the kitchen. So yes, this is all about your kitchen and the storage space. Now it's time to check the balcony. So this way to the balcony comes with the French sliding door. So yes, this is your balcony. As you can see, it is super spacious, and over there on the corner you have your utility area as well, and on the left, as you can see, you can do a garden setup. So yes, we have access to the balcony from the main door as well. So now it's time to check the first bedroom in this 3 BHK villa called Sanzio. So this is the first bedroom, which looks super grand, a large amount of space for your bed, wardrobe, study area, and dressing area. And this bedroom comes with a big window for natural sunlight and for ventilation. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So yes, this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation, and over here we have space for storage units as well. So as you can see, this bedroom comes with a wooden floor finish, which looks royal. Now it's time to check the first floor in this 3 BHK villa. So as you walk to the first floor, you can see there's a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And look at the interiors, all are super amazing, which gives a royal look and feel. So yes, right now we are in the first floor, and this is the living area in the first floor, which you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. And let's check the second bedroom. So yes, this is your spacious bedroom, ample amount of space for your bed, wardrobe, your study table, as well as your dressing area. And this bedroom comes with a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So you don't have to use lights in the daytime. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment. Yes. So as you can see, the bathroom is super big and there is a lot of space under the basin for storage units. So yes, this is your bathroom. So let's check the balcony in this bedroom. So this way to the balcony, right in opposite to the bed. So the balcony comes with a French sliding door. So yes, super big balcony where you can spend your leisure time having your coffee and tea, and over here you can see the sitting arrangement has been provided where you can sit and relax. Okay, so this was the balcony in the second bedroom. Now it's time to check the master bedroom in this 3 BHK villa called Sanzio. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, the actual location tour, the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly, 360-degree virtual project tour. And now it's time to look at the master bedroom. So yes, this is your super luxurious master bedroom. As you can see, it is super big with wooden floor finish which looks really royal. So there's ample amount of space for your king size bed and a lot of room for your wardrobe, your dressing area, as well as for your study table. And this master bedroom comes with the 3 windows. So this is the first window, and over here you can see the second and the third window. So yes, a lot of design has been done for ventilation and for natural sunlight. Now it's time to check the bathroom. So yes, this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and as you can see, there's a lot of space under the wash basin which you can use it as a storage unit. So yes, everything is super big and super spacious. And now it's time to check the terrace in this 3 BHK villa. So access to the terrace is from the second bedroom, which we saw earlier. So yes, this way to the terrace. So let's go up. Wow, really amazing terrace, as you can see, which is super big and spacious. And over here we have a roof type arrangement for sitting area and a lot of plants. As you can see, you can also have many plants like this, so you can have plantation as well as sitting area, and you can relax and enjoy the view around. So yes, this was all about the 3 BHK villa, sample villa tour called Sanzio by the builder JRC, which is located at Attibele Sarjapura Road. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this video, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kinds of constructive feedback. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about all such amazing videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample villa tour of the residential project Sanzio, which is located at Attibele Sarjapura Road by the builder JRC.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.